God has given the capabilities, abilities to everybody to become successful in life. That superpower God has given to everybody. But why is only few people can reach at the top? Why? What is the reason? Reason is only this much, that these people who are successful, who has reached at the top, have identified their capabilities, recognized their potential. They have put all the effort in the right direction. They took right decision at the right time. I'm going to talk about in detail in this video. Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. So some people are born with some special power, special wisdom, special intelligence. Everyone has it, but some people are having little more. So I'm going to talk about in detail through numbers and explain that. If you also having this superpower, this super intelligence power, let me know in comment. Let's start the video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that everybody can be notified and you also can be notified for my upcoming videos. Let's look at your birth chart. You have to calculate your driver number, KUA number, conductor number. If you can't do it, then I have made a lot of videos. You please go and watch that. I have given the link in the description box. So once you have made your birth chart, you can see if 492 is getting completed in your birth chart. You can see on your screen, 492 is the first horizontal line in your birth chart. If that is getting completed, then you are a blessed person. You have got tremendous sharp memory. 4 represents Rahu, which gives you sharp mind. 9 represents Mars, which gives you intelligence power. 2 represents Moon, which gives you intuition power. So all these 3 numbers combining together, this makes you a very sharp and intelligent person. And apart from this, you have got a very strong memory. Let's say if you're asked about a question, about an incident which has happened like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years back, you still remember. Once you see something, it gets scanned in your memory. Your brain is like a computer. You scan it, you see it and scan it. You are a very different person from others. You want to make yourself different from others. You want to set yourself different away from the crowd. You need excitement, thrill in your life. If it's not happening, then you think something is missing from your life. And suppose you might be thinking, some of you must be thinking that 492 is not getting completed, only 2 numbers are there. Let's analyze that. What happens then? If 4 and 9 is there, then also you're good to go. Then you'll be having this memory power, you'll be having this sharp mind, and you'll be having not exactly equal to 492, but definitely almost 80-90% the power will still remain. Now the next combination is 4 and 2. If 9 is missing, then also you'll be having like 60-70% of this power of this plane. That means sharp mind and then intuition power. Combination of these 2 numbers, you'll be having quite sharp and good memory. But the third combination, which is 9 and 2, if you don't have 4, then this memory or this sharp mind which I'm talking about, to that extent you will not be having. It will be a little bit of missing. So that's the power of 492 combining together, sitting in your birth chart. Another combination I want to talk about is 4, 3 and 8. That's the first vertical line on your Loshu grid. You can see on your screen, that's the first vertical line, 4, 3, 8. 4 is ruled by the planet called Rahu, 3 is Jupiter and 8 is Saturn. Combining all these 3 planets, when it's sitting in your birth chart, it makes magic. You have got a very good decision making power. You have got tremendous thought process. Where people stop thinking, you start from there. So you can foresee things, you can understand gauge situation and can take decision. You don't hesitate to take big decisions in your life. You are a big risk taker. From where it comes? It comes from the number 4 and 4 is number of Rahu, so it's by nature it's organized, disciplined and rebellious. 8 is also to some extent rebellious. And from 8, individually it comes, or naturally it comes, your financial management skill. I have made a separate video on financial management on number 8. You can go and watch that. You will get a detailed understanding of these people who are ruled by number 8 or who's having number 8 in their birth charts. So that's a separate topic. You can separately go and watch that. Apart from this, these people who are having this 4-3-8 line completed, they are having tremendous visualization power. They have tremendous creativity. So from 3 it comes. So combining this organized skill, discipline skill, financial management, rebellious nature, creativity, it makes an amazing combination in your life. That attributes, those gets added in your life. But suppose if you have only 2 numbers, let's say 4 and 3, then also you will be having like 70-80% of these powers in your life. Or let's say only 3 and 8 is there, then I won't say 70-80%, but almost 50% little bit of creativity, financial management skill will be there in your life. But if 4 and 8 is there in your birth chart, 3 is missing, then I won't suggest that it would be a very good combination. It would be very good because this 4 and 8 doesn't go together very well. Both are struggling numbers. So you might end up having only struggles in your life. So please be very careful. But if you're having 492 and 438, both the lines completed in your birth chart, let's say in this case, you can see on your screen, the first horizontal line and the first vertical line is also getting completed, then you are a super blessed. You have got great memory, you have got great decision power, you have got great foreseeing powers, you have got intellectual power, you have got intelligence, intuition, a lot of things, everything's coming together in your life. You can do anything you want. You only have to channelize your energy, you have to identify that potential, you have to recognize your capabilities and have to take the decision at the right time. Please make your own birth chart and see how many lines are getting completed among these 2. Rather, how many numbers are there in your birth chart among these numbers. Comment me below if you have any of you having both the lines getting completed. I hope you have liked this content. There's a second part to it which I'll be coming with another video, which is where I'll be talking about romantic life and about romantic people. Otherwise, these are actually related topic. I could have made a single video, but I have chosen to not to, because otherwise a video would have been too long. Both are important, right? Romantic, intelligence, both are required in life. So I'll be talking about romantic people, romantic life in my next video. Please keep a watch and comment me below if you have liked today's content. Till then, take very good care of yourself.